Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko, Ryan Diesto. And for today's Taste Test Review episode, Grand Opening and Mastery Products by Coma Seaside Cafe Bistro. And for this episode, this is sponsored brand review and disclaimer ng mga nose is my opinion and my own standards when it comes to brands or taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Drinking Nose at para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, kung nyo kong skip, malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. Coma Seaside Cafe Bistro. They're located at Barangay Santo Niño Sur, Arevalo, Iloilo City, in front of Punta entrance. They're open every day starting 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. with live music for 4 p.m. onwards. They also cater different occasions such as special gatherings. Their dining experience, very spacious in area, good for 20 to 35 persons. Their MP Mix pitcher. It has a delicious mix of alcohol and fruit juices. This is green apple soda for 110 pesos. A cool color and very refreshing drink indeed. This is blueberry soda for 110 pesos. Perfectly balanced for its sweetness, blueberry essence, and also for its soda feel. This is Spanish latte for 110 pesos. Very distinct in taste for its latte essence and also for its coffee flavor. This is plain rice platter for 120 pesos. Representing rice fragrance and also for its softness. Sir Coma Special Pizza for 510 pesos. It has a soft dough for its pizza and overload toppings for meats, vegetables, and sauces. Certified special and pizza refit. These are house specials, beef and mushroom for 415 pesos. Very tender meats for its beef, also for its soft mushrooms. These are La Uya, Siki Ka Baboy for 480 pesos. For this cool native style presentation, hot and fresh for its soup and also for its pork essence and flavors. Is one of our favorite dish in Coma. Here are some drinks that we ordered during their soft opening and additional foods available during their promotional shoot by Carl Lucas and Patrick during grand opening. For fullest of menus and other details, I'll provide description down below. Okay, for rating mga nose, based on my experience, overall observation, Ilonggo vloggers will give it perfect 10. For Coma Seaside Cafe Bistro, expect the best quality for foods and perfect drinks to quench your thirst. Superb hospitality and services for its chill and relaxing ambience. A place for everyone, for family, friends, and loved ones. Good view of Villa Beach, Guimaras Island for its natural beauty of sunset. Pasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko sa opening and grand opening. Kay B-Boy Natix, Art Kisses, Patrick, Clint, kay Carl Lucas Photography, assisting and joining me for this wonderful experience. And sa lahat po bumubo for Coma Seaside Cafe Bistro, sa mga staffs, chefs, managers, and owners for inviting us to be part of their soft opening and grand opening. With this amazing and excellent food finds in my hometown, Villa Arevalo. Once again, congratulations and thank you. Stay safe mga nose. See you on the next brands, taste review, or do-it-yourself episodes here in City Vlog, Iloilo City. Bye!